right. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
How's the coffee?
Coffee's great.
Nothing like coffee in the afternoon.
What's up, guys? You boys Halfway Kicks here. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment. And follow us on IG, halfway_kicks. My personal Instagram is Bendo15.
My name is AJ and my Instagram is ArnettJason. Today we have a special guest.
Am I special?
Special to me.
Am I special?
This is Veronica, and she happens to be my fiance.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't say.
For 2.5 years.
Hello.
We have a channel of our own. It's our vlog channel. You can find us on YouTube at AJ and Vero. We'll link it down below in case y'all want to check it out. But the reason you're here today is because...
Well, you asked for some help for getting some shoes, right?
Yeah.
I was able to get them through the sneaker app reservation. So the sneakers is going to be the Air Jordan 4 Shimmer. Because they only came in women's, so...
but there's a special reason why you're here.
Absolutely, yeah.
Other than just the shoes. It is the fact that these are your first pair of Jordans.
These are my first pair of Jordans. I've never had them before. Growing up in high school, I graduated like what, 20... Oh, wow, what year did I graduate?
You don't have to say.
I was going to say
We
2016.
don't have to say.
It's okay.
I was going to say, I'm 22.
You graduated.
I graduated. Anyways.
I wear 23 because I'm 23.
That's a lie. Anyways.
I'm 15. Oh, shit. Anyways.
So everybody in high school growing up had them. I never had a pair. I had some random like black shoes, like Converse that look like Jordans. So I don't know. Never had them. Probably couldn't afford them. As I got grown into adult, didn't want to spend the money, but you know, here we are.
You're spending the money.
Now we are spending the money.
Yeah.
And you're...
and it still hurt. So.
Yeah. But let's talk about what you're wearing really quick.
What?
So you've got this nice little chain.
Do you do that on your channel?
We do. Sometimes we do. We talk about fashion. So if there are any women watching and you want to know where she got her chain, her t-shirt, or her shirts.
So this is a chain from 30 Years. If you follow Katie on Instagram, she has her own line of clothing and she incorporated jewelry as well. So this is from 30 Years. This is from Bonita. It's a clothing line. Sells a lot of other things as well. And these shorts.
Inaka
shorts.
They look good.
Yeah.
They look good.
My socks are from You guys want to know that too?
No, not really. Okay.
So let's get into the shoes, right?
Yeah.
So Jordan 4 Shimmer, this is a live reaction.
She hasn't seen these shoes. She's seen what they look like in a picture.
We didn't let her see it until this time. So we wanted you guys to see the first and
your
live
first
reaction
pair of Jordans.
Okay. I'm gonna ruin these. Oh my god.
Yeah, you don't like clean shoes.
And
these are pretty.
They are nice.
Hey, they are nice.
You can grab both of them. You can grab both of them out.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
These are pretty.
I wish those came in men's. I'd wear those.
You like that blush?
Mm-hmm.
I think the focal point behind the design of the shoe was makeup, wasn't it?
It's something like that too. And then the more you wear the shoes, they
sparkle?
The more they sparkle.
Yeah, I heard it was the design, I guess, behind it was for makeup, and that's why you have a Jordan logo. That's why the Jordan logo is like a mirror, because it's supposed to be like your mirror when you're doing your makeup.
Oh.
Yeah. So the Air Jordan 4 Shimmer, not mirror. Shimmer. What do you think? This is your first pair.
They're so pretty, but I'm gonna ruin them. Like, I'm very hard on my shoes.
Well, maybe we have like a different rule for Jordans.
He got so mad because I creased my dunks.
She creased her dunks, and she don't even like put the thing.
The what is that called?
Shoehorn.
The stuffing?
No.
No.
Whatever. The little paper that's in the shoe.
Yeah, and they're really pretty. I like them.
Gotta smell the shoes.
Yeah.
Smell the shoe.
It smells like, I don't know.
It smells like new shoes.
Yeah, it does. I don't want to wear them.
This is exactly what we go through. This is what we go through.
Her first, and it might be last if she's not gonna wear them.
Probably. But how do I wear them with pants? Like back in high school, they used to get like the pants but put the rubber band at the bottom so it flared out. Do I do that now?
We are not gonna do that now.
No?
We're gonna do that now. You are gonna wear whatever pants you normally wear, and you just put the shoes on.
Yeah. Okay.
We're not gonna
No
put
rubber band.
No rubber. We're not gonna tie it on the back
No?
either. We are not gonna do any of that.
Okay.
But these are nice.
These
really nice.
retailed for
$190.
$190 retail.
Yeah.
They're really nice.
They are nice. These really do look like the makeup color.
They do.
You know, all the little swatches.
Yeah.
Did I say that right?
Yeah,
swatches.
yeah. Not my skin tone, but you know.
I mean, this might be right here though.
No.
That's not your skin tone?
No, it's
But
not.
look at the sole though. Show them the sole. The sole is nice. That clear nude.
Yeah.
Clear nude.
Clear nude.
Is that the colorway on these?
I gosh, yeah. Maybe this is supposed to be skin.
I don't
Look at
know.
my nudes.
Look at my nudes. Okay, don't look at her nudes. Don't look at her nudes. I mean,
These ones. Nothing else.
This is cool.
What do you think about these light purple laces?
No, I don't.
No, you're not gonna.
No.
You're not feeling it.
No,
Okay.
no, probably won't use it.
Yeah.
This is nice.
It does look good the way it is.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Because it's not white. You know.
Yeah.
And it's like off-white.
Yeah,
Like we said, off-white colorway right now is it.
Cream.
it is.
The
Yeah,
cream.
definitely. It's the vibe. It's the tone right now, and it really goes with any outfit, any
Yeah.
color outfit.
Yeah,
So I can
yeah.
wear it an outfit
you
that
can
I wear
wear-
now.
yeah, you can.
Any way you want to wear your pants, just not the rubber band or the tie in the back.
Comment down below if you wore those pants like that.
I got a comment. I got a comment with the rubber band
I
too.
don't know if I
You know,
used
in high
How about
school.
you?
I don't remember. I don't think I did.
I didn't.
I did.
With the Jinko jeans and okay, never mind.
What are Jinkos?
Uh,
I wear baby fat ones with the no pockets.
Would you have apple bottom jeans too? God damn. Shit. Oh my god.
So comment down below if you wore them.
Yeah, you know.
Because you'll see me on the comments.
And then, ladies, let us know if you were able to secure yourself a pair, or was your man able to get it for you?
You know. Well, thank you, Lovey. I appreciate
I
it.
mean, it came from our joint account, so
Yeah. So
You're
thank me.
welcome.
Yeah.
yeah. So that I think might be it for this video. So thank you for stopping by Halfway Kicks. Bendo, anything else?
That is it. Enjoy our B-roll.
All right. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
That's why I want to.
These are so nice. I
Yeah,
like
nice.
them.
You're way more enthusiastic right now than you were when you
Really?
Yeah.
You guys.
Ahem, 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 ahem.